This is Teacher Mel. How are you today? Today, we are going to learn about two special words. A and an. These words are called articles, and we use them before nouns. Let's find out how to use them. Look at this. This is an apple. What is the first letter of the word apple? That's right. The word apple starts with letter A. So we say an apple. We use an when the word starts with a vowel letter A, E, I, O, U. Now look at this. This is a dog. What is the first letter of the word dog? Yes, very good. The word dog starts with letter D, which is a consonant. So we say a dog. We use a when the word starts with a consonant sound. Here we have an umbrella. What letter does umbrella start with? Correct! The word umbrella starts with the letter U, which is a vowel. So we say an umbrella. Let's try another one. Look at this. This is a cat. What letter does cat start with? Yes, you are right. Since cat starts with a consonant sound, so we say a cat. What about this? This is an egg. What letter does egg start with? Yes, you are right. Since egg starts with a vowel, so we say an egg. Now, it's your turn. Look around and tell me what you can see and use a or an correctly. What do you see? Can you make a sentence? Great job! A book, because book starts with a consonant. What can you see? Can you make a sentence? Excellent! I see an orange, because orange starts with a vowel. Excellent work, everyone. You've learned how to use a and an today. Remember, use a before words that start with a consonant sound. And use an before words that start with a vowel sound. Thank you for your great work today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.